Your Mac's UC desktop client may include instant messaging and presence capabilities. You can start a conversation with any of your chat-enabled contacts by selecting the contact. In this window, you can send and receive messages, review your chat history, initiate a call, or start a meeting. To create a group chat, click on the plus icon and select New Group Chat. The subject line is populated by default. However, you can change this to any subject by typing in the field. Search for existing contacts or select them from the list, and when ready, click on Create Group Chat. A new conversation window opens to display the conversation, participants panel, and chat functions. You can personalize your messages by adding emojis and symbols. You can remove yourself from a group chat or add and remove participants if you created the group. To update the subject of the group conversation, click on the More Options icon and select Update Subject.